Okay, I'm gonna do a quick video here. It's on my GoPro I got. Just started noticing that it's making a clicking noise in the video. I don't think it's the camera that's doing it. When I notice it is when I'm using this mount, and it goes on like a tripod deal, and I've got some custom mounts that I've made so I can stick it on trucks and equipment and stuff. But when there's a real rough ride, and I'll run a clip here so you can hear the clicking noise that's happening. So when I have it on like my windshield and stuff, and I use this clip mount, I don't seem to hear it. So what I did is I went out and went on eBay and found this mount here, and it's a tripod mount. It's got a couple different mounts there to use. So I'm going to give this a try and see how that works. I don't know why it would be any different than this. I'm going to have to use this quick attach thing, or the clip. But as soon as I get out and run something, I'll throw this on and see how it works. It's been so darn cold that you don't even go outside, so as soon as I get to try this out, I'll let you know if it solves the clicking or not. But I thought maybe it could be this latch or something, or the door getting loose. Maybe I'll try the sealed door, see if that stops the clicking. I'll try a few different things. Like I said, there's been no snow and it's been terribly cold, so really hard to get out and do some testing. So when I get out and test this, I'll let you guys know if it stops the clicking or not.